Welcome back. So now converting between two different bases. So this means that you don't have a base 10. So there are a couple different ways to do most of these problems, but we're going to start off just showing you a combination of the two methods that you just learned about. First, we're going to convert to base 10, and then we'll convert from base 10 to the new base. There is a faster way to do this called binary, and we'll talk about that in the next video. Okay, so if we're going, first we want to take this and we want to go to base 10. So if you recall from an earlier video, this is going to be your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spot. Okay, so we're going to do 1 times, again, we're going to base 10. So we have a base of 2, 2 to the 6th, plus 0 times 2 to the 5th, plus 1 times 2 to the 4th, plus 1 times 2 to the 3rd, plus 0 times 2, I'm losing my place, second. Okay, I'll just keep writing. Okay, I think that looks right. And then these are gone. And this becomes a 64 plus a 16 plus an 8 plus a 2 plus a 1. And that should be a 91 base 10. And now what we'll go ahead and do is we'll take 91 base 10 and we will convert it to base 8. So this is what we did in our last video. We'll take our 91 and we'll divide it by 8. And that is 11 remainder 3, because 8 times 11 is 88 with a remainder of 3. 11 divided by 8 is a 1 with a remainder of 3. And then a 1 does not go into 11, so that means we're done. And this would be 133 base 8. Okay, and that would be your final answer. All right, so let's try another one like that. Number 2. So we have A, B, C, base 16, and we're going to go to base 2. So again, A is 10, B is 11, and C is 12. So this is 10 times, it would be 16 to the 0, 1, 2 power, plus 11 times 16 to the, this is the first power, plus 12 times 16 to the 0 power. And this is going to be 256 times 10, which is 2560, 11 times 16, which is 176, and then this will just be a 12. And I know these are bigger numbers, but just take my word for it. It's going to be 2748 base 10. Okay, so now you're going to take this 2748 base 10, and we're going to be dividing by 2 because we want to go to base 2. But what's kind of nice is that you do have an even here. So when you divide this, you're going to get 1374, remainder 0. Keep dividing. This is 687, remainder 0. Keep dividing. This is going to be 343, but with a remainder of 1. Keep dividing. 171, remainder 1. Keep dividing. 85, remainder 1. Keep dividing. 42, remainder 1. Keep dividing. 21, remainder 0. Oh gosh, I'm running out of room here. Okay, let's take this and let's put it back up here. Okay, 21 divided by 2 is 10, remainder 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5, remainder 0. 5 divided by 2, we're almost there, is 2, remainder 1. And finally, 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. And then 1 cannot divide by 2. All right, so now remember, this is where you're starting. And then we're going to go up the remainders. So it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, base 2, which was obnoxious. Okay. Let's go ahead and try one more, and then I will show you binary, which will make this way easier for all of us. All right, so last one. Okay, so if you'd like, you can go ahead and give this one a try yourself really quickly. You can pause the video if you'd like, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing this, and then you can check your answers, or again, follow along with me if you'd like. Okay, so I have to start by converting to base 10. That's going to be 4 times 5 to the second, plus 3 times 5 to the first, plus 3 times 5 to the 0. And that's going to be 25 times 4 is 100, plus 15 plus 3, which is a 118 base 10. And now I will divide by 3 because that's the base I'm going to. 118 divided by 3, this is a 39, remainder 1. 39 divided by 3 is a 13, remainder 0. 13 divided by 3 is a 4, remainder 1. And 4 divided by 3 is a 1, remainder 1, and then that's as far as I can go. So my final answer will be 11101 base 3. And there you go. All right, so next we're going to talk about binary, which will shorten some of these problems up.